Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
My name is Matt.
My name is Chloe.
Chloe, what are we making today?
饺子.
Yeah, 饺子. How do you say that in English?
Dumpling.
Yeah. Now, why are we making dumplings?
Because Lunar New Year.
Yeah, we're making dumplings because it's the Lunar New Year.
And Chinese New Year.
And Chinese New Year. And we would like to thank the Walters for allowing us to be part of their Lunar New Year celebration to talk to you all about dumplings today. Should we wish everybody a Happy New Year?
Yeah.
All right. 新年快乐!
新年快乐！
万事如意！
万事如意！
恭喜发财！
恭喜发财！
天天发财！
天天发财
Well, we have a lot to do. Should we get started?
！Yes. 韭菜切末，加入大蒜和生姜末，加盐，加芝麻油，加入猪肉，搅拌均匀。白菜切末，加入大蒜和生姜末，加盐，加芝麻油，最后加入猪肉，搅拌均匀就可以的。现在可以包饺子的。Daddy is using store-bought dumpling wrappers. Put your filling in the middle. Use warm water around the edges to seal the dumpling. Pinch in the middle. Then crimp on both sides. Make sure your dumpling is sealed tight. Dumplings look like gold ingots that were used throughout Chinese history. 爸爸，那是什么？
是枚硬币。
加硬币干什么？
吃饺子的时候，谁吃到，今年一年都会很幸运。
饺子都包好的，爸爸包了好多饺子呀。You could find all the ingredients you need to make dumplings at a Chinese grocery store. You could also find a lot of premade dumplings. So many choices. Steamed dumplings. 蒸饺. Put down a layer of cabbage leaves on the tray so the dumplings don't stick. Boil water and put the steaming tray on top. All done. Super easy. Pan-fried dumplings, also called pot stickers. 煎饺. Add several tablespoons of oil to a pan. Put your dumplings in before the oil gets hot. Add a cup of water and cover. Cook until the water is all gone, about 10 minutes. Flip your dumplings and see the other side. All done. They look so good. Boil dumplings. Straight yellow. This is the most common method. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Then add your dumplings. Shake or stir often so they don't stick to the bottom. Dumplings have a history of more than 1,800 years. A Chinese doctor named Zi is credited with inventing them. He made them as a medicine to help with frostbite, but everybody loved them so much that they decided to eat them every year. Add a cup of cold water and then return to a boil 3 times. Then your dumplings are all done. Daddy, why 3 times?
Just to make sure they're all cooked.
All done. Time to eat.
祝大家新年快乐，牛年大吉！
记得吃饺子呀。